Hello dear students, welcome back to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School. I am Manjusha, you are studying maths with me. Yesterday in previous classes we have done exercise 1.2 up to question number 7. That is, we have learned ascending order of the numbers in our previous class. In today's class we will learn descending order of the number arrangements. In descending order, you arrange numbers from largest to smallest. In descending order, how you arrange numbers? You arrange numbers from largest to smallest. Means in descending order, largest number comes first. Okay, largest number comes at first place. Then the little bit smaller, then little bit smaller, then little bit smaller. Means the tallest boy. If you arrange your class students in descending order, how all the students will stand in row? The tallest boy or girl will stand first, then the little bit shorter, then little bit shorter, then little bit. So this is how you will arrange yourself, right? So the tallest boy or girl stands first, and the smallest or shortest students stand at last. So in this manner we arrange the number also. In this manner we arrange the number also. Means in descending order, first number will be your largest number. So let us do question number 8, exercise 1.2, page number 10, question number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 numbers are given here and you have to arrange all these numbers in descending order. According to your question, arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay. So these 5 numbers are given in the question and you have to arrange all these numbers in descending order. Right. So for arranging these numbers, you have to find out which one is the largest number. As in a descending order, largest number comes at first. So find out which one is the largest number among these 5. So for finding out the greatest number or largest number, we have to do comparison among these 5 numbers, right? So for doing comparison, you know the rule for comparison? Yes, we have discussed in previous lectures. Okay, so if you have still confusion how to compare numbers, you can rewatch the previous video, then you can come to this topic. Okay, let us start doing this question. First, count the number of digits in each given number. So start counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit in this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit. All the numbers have 5 digit. All the numbers have 5 digits. So we cannot conclude that which one is greater. So now what we will do? We will take the highest place value, highest place digit. So here you can see that in each number all the numbers have 8 at highest place. At highest place all the numbers have 8. Then again you cannot conclude that which one is the greatest. So what you will do? You will check the next place then. You will check the next place. Here 6, here at next place 4, here 6, here 4 and here 6. And you want to write the descending order. So in descending order you arrange from largest to smallest. So largest number will come first. So is 6 larger or 4 larger? If you compare, 6 larger. But when you see, you have 5 numbers and among that 3 numbers having 6 at next highest place. So now you have to compare these 3 numbers, that out of these 3 which one is the largest. Okay. So what you will do? You will compare the next digit of these 3 numbers. So when you see that here 4 at next place, here 6 at next place and here 5 is at next place. So now compare these 64, here 66 and here 65. So which one is the largest, 64, 66 or 65? You will say that ma'am 66 is the largest. So our this number is the largest answer. This number will come at the first place, that is 86,654 is the largest number, and you know that the open mouth of the symbol will be towards the largest number. So this is the largest number, so I put the open mouth of the symbol towards the largest number. Okay, so it is our first number. Now compare. We have left with the 4 numbers. So now identify among these 4 which one is the largest now. Which one is the largest? 64 or 65? 65 is the largest. So you will write this at the second number. Okay. So we have done 2. Now we are left with 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 numbers. Now compare these 3 numbers. Which will come at the third number? Which number will come at third number? 64 or these 2? Obviously 64, right? 8, 6, 4, 6, 5. So it will come at third place. We have done with this also. Now you are left with the 2 numbers. Now you have to compare these 2 numbers. So when you compare, both they have 5 digits, both the number have 5 digits, right? Both the number have 5 digits. Both these numbers have 5 digits. Both the first place, both the number have 8 at highest place. Now you compare the next highest place, that is 4. Both the number have 4, so you cannot conclude that which one is largest. So what you will do? You will check the next digit. You will check the next digit. And when you check the next digit, here in this number 6 is there and here 5 is there. So which one will be greater? 6 or 5? Obviously 6 will be greater. So this number comes at the 4th. So 84,665, and the last number 84,566. So this is how you do comparison, then arrange all the numbers from largest to smallest. Either you have to do ascending order or you have to perform descending order. In both the cases you have to use comparison of numbers. You have to use the concept of comparison of numbers. Okay. Okay, let's do the next question. That is the part B. Okay. 1,15,791. Next number given is 1,51,971. Next number is 1,51,791, and the last number given is 1,15,197. Only 4 numbers are given here, and you have to arrange these given numbers in descending order. How you arrange numbers in descending order? From largest to smallest, means the number which is the largest will come at first place. Okay. And the smallest number among these comes at last place. Okay. So we have 4 numbers and we want to find out which one is the largest. So for finding out largest number, what we will do? We will compare the numbers. Okay. So start comparing. So for the comparison, you will count the number of digits, okay, and the number which have more digits will be greater, okay, the number which have more digits will be greater. So first let us count the number of digits in all the numbers. So in first number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 digits. In second number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Second number also have 6 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 digits. All the numbers, all the given numbers have 6 digits, equal number of digits. Then we cannot conclude that which one is the largest. So what we will do? Now we will compare the highest place values. Highest place values. Here at highest place value 1 is there. So all the 4 numbers have 1 at highest place. Then can you conclude which one is the largest? No, we cannot find. Then what we have to do? We have to check the next digit. Check the next digit. So when you check here 1, here 5, the next digit, here the next digit is 5 and here the next digit is 1. Okay. So through this you cannot conclude which one is the largest number. So let's check the next digit. Here 5 is there, here 1, here the next digit is 1, here the next digit is 5. Okay. Now again you have 215s and 251s. You cannot conclude that which one is the largest. So let us write the next digit also. So here 7, here 9, here 7 and here 1. Now can you conclude which one is the largest? 457 is the largest? No. Then this? Yes, it is a 519. So this number will be the largest number and it will come at the first place. Okay, and you know that the open mouth of this symbol comes towards the largest number. So I put this symbol here. Now which number will come at the next place? When you compare these, this will come at the next place. Okay, now which number will come at the third place? Which is the largest number among these two? 157 or 151? This one. So this number will come at the third place. So write it 1,15,791 and the last one will be this. So for doing or for arranging the numbers in ascending or descending order, first you have to do comparison of the number, then you can arrange them. Okay. Remember that in descending order you arrange numbers from largest to smallest. Now move to the next topic. Now move to the next topic, that is the formation of number or forming the number. Your next topic is forming numbers. Forming numbers. Okay. So here some digits will be given to you. Suppose I give you 2, 1, 3, 5 and I asked you to make a largest number using these digits. So how you will arrange to make the largest number? To make the largest number, rule. To make largest number or to form largest number, to make or to form largest number, what you will do? digits, you arrange digits in which order? You arrange digits in descending order. Okay. Here, if you want to form the largest or greatest number, what you will do? You will do the given digits in, you will arrange the given digits in descending order. Okay. And what was the descending order? We have discussed in the previous question. What is the descending order? The order in which we arrange the largest number at first and the smallest at last is the descending order. Okay. So let us do question number 9 on page number 10. Question number 9. Digits are given. Here you have to write the greatest or largest number. In part A, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digits are given. 5 digits are given, that is 8, 2, 3, 4 and 9. These 5 digits are given. And using these 5 digits, you want to make a greatest number or a largest number. So what is the condition to form the largest number? You arrange digits in descending order. So arrange all these digits in descending order. So in descending order we write the largest or greatest number at first. So which one is the greatest among these? Among these, which digit is the greatest? Identify which one is the greatest digit. Is 8? No. Is 2 is greatest? No. Then which one is the greatest? 9. Right. 9 is the greatest. So write 9. You have done 9. Now you have left with the 4 digits. Okay. Now compare. Now find which one is the greatest digit. Among these 4, which one is the greatest? 8 is the greatest. So write 8. Then you have done 8 and 9. You have left with the 3 digits. Now compare which one is the greatest. So you will say that ma'am 4 is greatest. So I will write 4 here. Okay. Now is 3 great or 4? Sorry, 3 is largest or 2 is largest among these two? 3 is largest. So you will write 3 here, right? So you have done with the 3 2. So the remaining digit write at the last place. So this is how you write the greatest number. How you write? You arrange all the digits in descending order. We will do this part also, but first do this part. Next is B, part B. Here also 5 digits given, that is 4, 0, 3, 7, 5. And you want to write greatest number or you want to make greatest number by using these 5 digits. So to form largest number or greatest number, you arrange digits in descending order, right? So arrange them in descending order. So in descending order, largest number comes at first place. So identify which one is the largest among these 5. Is 0 is largest among these? No. Then 7. 7 is the largest. So I will write 7 first. Okay. Then identify which will come next. 4, 0, 3 or 5. Which will come next to 7? 5 will come. Okay. We have done with the 5 also. Now we have left with 3 digits, that is 4, 0 and 3. So which will come next to 5? Obviously 4, then 3, then 0 at last place. So this is how you form the greatest number, right? Let us do C and D also. Okay, let's do the next C. In C also 5 digits are given, 0, 1, 5, 8, 4. In part C, 5 digits are given, and to form the greatest number or largest number, what you do? You arrange digits in descending order, right? And you want to write the greatest number for using these digits. So arrange them in descending order. Arrange them. Identify which one is the largest number out of these 5. You see that 8 is the largest. So you will write 8 at first number. Okay. Then which will come? 1 come? No. Then which digit will come? 5. Right. 5 will come. Then after 5, which is the largest among 4, 1 and 0? Which one is the largest digit? 4. So you will write 4 here. Okay. Then compare these two, 0 or 1. Which one is the largest? 1 is the largest. So you will write 1. We have done with the 1 also. Now we have left only with 1 digit. So write that digit at the last. And this is how we got our greatest or largest number. Let's do the last one. That is the part D of question number 9. I am erasing. Okay. Part D. In part D, you see that how many digits are given. How many digits are given? See, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 digits are given. And using these digits, you want to form a largest or greatest number. What are the digits? 1, 5, 7, 2, 0 and the last one is 3. These 6 digits are given. But how any number of digits can be given in the question, but what is the step? What is the rule to form the greatest number, to form the largest number? The rule is that you arrange digits in descending order. So arrange all the given digits in descending order. So write the, which one is the greatest number among these? 7. So I write 7. Then I have done 7. I have these 5 digits. Which will come after 7? 5 will come. Okay, then 1, 2, 0 or 3. Which is greater among these 4? 3 is greater. So I am writing 3. Then 2. Then 1 and lastly 0 will come. And put the comma according to Indian system of numeration. Okay. So this is how we write the greatest number. How we write the greatest number? We arrange the number. You arrange the digits in descending order. Okay. And now we are going to last question of the today's lecture. That is same question, question number 9, but right now we have discussed these column, greatest number. Okay. Now I am going to tell you about the smallest number. How to form smallest number. Our topic is same, forming numbers, but rule is going to change for smallest number. Okay. Smallest number. To form smallest number. To form smallest number, arrange digits in ascending order. What is the rule to form smallest number? Arrange the given digits in ascending order. If you have any doubt in ascending and descending order, please watch previous videos in which we have discussed these topics. Okay, then only come to this video and watch this and do the questions based on this topic. Okay, question number 9. A. The digits are given. Digits and smallest number. 4, 9. These digits are given. These 5 digits are given and you have to make a smallest number. So to form a smallest number, arrange digits in ascending order. So in ascending order, how you arrange the numbers? In ascending order, as you assemble in assembly, right? In the same manner you arrange the number here. Means the shortest person stands first in the assembly, right? The shortest student stand first and the tallest student stands at the last. So here also the shortest number will stand first. So which one is the shortest or smallest number? You see that 2 is the smallest. So you write 2. Then after 2, 3 will come. Then after 3, 4 will come. Right? Then 5 is not there, 6 is not there, 7 is not there, 8 is there. So you will write 8. Then lastly 9. So the shortest or the smallest number comes at first and the largest number comes at last place. This is how you arrange the number in ascending order. Let's do the next one. B. In B, again 5 digits are given, 4, 0, 3, 7, 5, and you want to arrange all these numbers in, you want to form smallest number using these digits, right? So when you start arranging these numbers, what will come at first place? 0 will come at first place. Then which one is just greater than 0? All are the greater than 0, but which will come just after 0? 3, then 4, 5 and lastly 7. So is this the correct arrangement of the number? When you write 0 to the leftmost place, it does not have any value. Means, suppose look here, I am giving you example. If I write 0, 1, what you will read it? You will read it as 1. You ignore the 0 from this side, okay? You ignore the 0 from the leftmost side. If write 0, 2, you will read it as 2. है ना? यही करोगे ना? You will read it as 2. If I write 0, 3, you will read it as 3. But if I write 3, 0, you will read it as 30. Means when the value of when 0 was at leftmost side of the number, you ignored it. You did not read it. You did not reading it as 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. No, you are reading simply as 1. You are reading simply as 2, 3. But when the place value of 0 changes, you start counting it. So here also, if you write 0 at leftmost place, you have to ignore this. Okay, so you cannot write the 0 at the leftmost place. So what you have to do, you have to write the 0 at the second place then. So you will change the first 2 digits. That is, you have written here 0, 3. So you will reverse them. You write 3, 0. Okay? As if the 0 is written at leftmost side, we always ignore it. Let us do the next. 0, 1, 5, 8, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digits are given, and using these digits you want to make a smallest number. Okay, so arrange all these numbers in which order? To form a smallest number, arrange digits in ascending order. So arrange in ascending order. In ascending order, which number will come at first place? Obviously 0 is the smallest, so it will come at first place. Then 1 will come. Then when you see here, no 2 and 3 is there, then 4 will come. Then after 4, 5 is there, and lastly 8 is left. So we are writing 8 at last. Okay, now am I right? Is my answer completed here? Is my answer completed here? Is it correct to write the smallest number? We want to form the smallest number using these 5 digits. Is it correct? No. Why? It is not correct. Why? Because 0 is at the leftmost place, and when the 0 comes at leftmost place, what we do? We ignore it. So if I ignore the 0 from here, it is only 1, 2, 3 and 4 digit number, but we want to make the 5 digit number. So for that, what we do? We replace this 0 by this place. Okay, means we will write 1 over here and 0 to the second position. So 1 here and 0 here. Now it is correct. Now it is correct. Okay. Okay, let us do the last question. Last part, that is part D. Part D, 6 digits are given, that is 1, 5, 7, 2, 0, 3. Again you want to write the smallest number, so to form the smallest number, arrange digits in ascending order. In ascending order, the smallest digits come first. So which one is the smallest among these? Which one is the smallest? Find out. Is 1 smallest or any other number is there the smallest? Yes, 0. 0 will come. Then 1, 0, 1. Then identify which will come. 2. Then 3. Then 5. And lastly 7 will come. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 digits. Is it the correct way to write the number, smallest number? Yes, according to definition, what we have done, we have arranged the digits in ascending order. We have done this, but is it correct? No, there is one more thing. If 0 comes at leftmost side, you have to ignore the 0. Then if I ignore the 0, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit number only. But the given digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you have to make a 6 digit number. 6 digit is smallest number, right? But it is only 5 digit number. So what you will do? You will replace this 0 to the second place. Okay? So exchange these. So this is how you write the smallest number. Okay. We have done question number 8 and 9 in today's class. Our class is over today here. Bye bye students.